Imagine the Earth suddenly slowing down and then completely stopping. Sounds unbelievable, right? Today, we'll explore step by step what science predicts would happen if this really occurred. The Earth spins once every day, and that spin affects our weather, oceans, and even our magnetic field. If the spin stops suddenly, many things would change, some immediately, and some over very long times. Let's see what would happen step by step. At the equator, the Earth's surface moves at about 465 meters per second, almost 1,040 miles per hour. If the ground suddenly stopped, anything not firmly attached would keep moving at that speed. This includes cars, trees, and other loose objects. This sudden change would produce enormous forces across the planet. The atmosphere and oceans, which also carry momentum, would continue moving, causing immediate, large-scale disruption. The atmosphere would keep moving even after the surface stopped. This would create extremely strong winds slamming from the west at high speeds. These winds would be far stronger than any regular storm, reshaping landscapes and moving debris until friction slows them down. It's a planet-wide, short-term effect, very powerful, but not permanent. Oceans also carry huge momentum. If the Earth stopped spinning suddenly, water would continue moving, creating massive waves along the coasts. Some areas could experience extreme flooding as the water piles up in certain places. Over hundreds to thousands of years, gravity and crustal adjustments would slowly redistribute water toward a new equilibrium. But the immediate effect would be large waves and flooding across the planet. If the Earth stopped spinning but kept orbiting the Sun, the usual 24-hour day would disappear. Instead, each place on Earth would experience about 6 months of daylight, followed by 6 months of night, as the sun slowly moves across the sky during the year. During the long day, temperatures could reach around 50-70 degrees Celsius, while the long night could drop to -60 to -90 degrees Celsius in many regions. These extreme hot and cold periods would shift with the seasons, meaning no place would stay mild for long. Strong winds and atmospheric currents would try to balance temperatures, but survival would be extremely challenging. Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful space radiation. It comes from movement in the planet's liquid outer core. If the surface stopped spinning, the magnetic field would not collapse immediately. Changes could happen only over very long timescales, centuries to thousands of years, depending on core and mantle dynamics. Most surface life would face huge challenges after a sudden stop. But some life in deep underground areas, ocean sediments, or shaded environments could survive. Over long periods, some regions could remain habitable. But overall, life as we know it would be drastically affected. Stopping the Earth's spin is extremely unlikely, but thinking about it shows how important our planet's rotation is for keeping life stable. From atmosphere to oceans to the core, Earth's spin connects everything. If you enjoyed this science explanation, like the video and subscribe. And if there is any question, so comment below.